morning, this is Becca. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be the daily tarot reading for Friday the 30th of July. Okay, so today we have the Princess of Cups, the Ten of Wands, Oppression, and the Four of Wands, Completion. So, the Princess of Cups, this is an energy of being completely immersed within your heart space. This is spiritual heart space. This is merging your soul with your personality. It's merging your soul with your purpose and expressing yourself in this deep, heart-centered way. This is very positive, emotional radiance. It is really bringing forth this connection to all things, this connection to the source energy, which is all creative and all loving and all mystical. So she's kind of cloaked in this light purple. And this is all about being in touch with your spiritual nature and having this direct mode of contact with other spiritual beings. So you're open and receptive here to receiving loving guidance and feeling safe and supported in your conviction that you're being led in the right way. You're being led and guided for your highest good and happiness towards this light, towards your highest potential. You're finding the true treasures of your soul and wishing to express them outwardly. And this is strong creative energy, creative, powerful forces which are for the highest good, which are radiating spiritual truths and loving energy. And it's about really finding this deep connection, finding this love within your heart space, this love of life, this love for expression, and to be open and to really convey what you want to create, to really convey this love you feel, to really want to foster this beautiful state of being. And there's this bird messenger who's bringing in all this information that is allowing you to find this peace and clarity and inspiration to move forward. We've got the turtle here, and this is kind of like, no matter how long the process has been in something that you have been envisioning, this is going to bear fruit. This is going to emerge and bloom. And with you being in your conviction and in your perfect alignment with your soul, everything is really unfolding, and the true blessings are opening up to you now. So, the Ten of Wands. This is about coming to this completion, coming to this end of this chapter where you can transcend the limitations, you can transcend the burdens. This is about having too many burdens and feeling the weight and feeling the pressure. A build-up of pressure. And all you can do is completely let it go and realise that the pressure, the fear, the burdens don't exist when you relinquish them. Let them go. Release. And then you'll realise that you can truly be free. You can truly expand. You can truly be this warrior of the heart and of truth and of creation and of love. So it's surmounting any perceived stress or burden to go into your true soul's identity here. Where that doesn't exist, there's all this feather, lightness, and ethereal identification, which is who you really are anyway. This has been weighed down by worldly matters. But there is going to be a balance here because we've been given the Four of Wands, which is completion. So as I say, the tens are about the end of a cycle, about putting down the burdens, putting down the stress, putting down this perceived limitation, putting down the end of all of this heaviness, and finding this perfect balance, finding this perfect stability, finding everything slots into place in a beautiful and passionate way. And the wands are about action, the wands are about movement and progress and things really evolving in a real way. So once the burdens are put down, once you are leaving anything that is causing you this fear, this conflicted energy, this unwanted oppression, you can leave this, you can discard this, you can go into your heart center, you can contact and align with your soul's mission, the true you, what is bringing you joy, what is meant for you truly. And then you will know, and then you will come into this alignment, and you will be given everything you need. Not only in the spiritual sense, in the world, earth sense, abundance, and security and loving and magical experiences, passion, a plethora of abundance here. And all the green is the heart chakra, and this is your heart's desire coming into fruition here. This is Venus bringing the love and the passion and this feeling of success, this feeling of being grounded to where you should be, a feeling of being at peace and being at home. So from going into this inward state is where all the transformation takes place. So you must first open your heart. You must first have the trust and faith that things are working out in an exact way that is in alignment with your highest self, your highest truth, your soul's destiny. That everything is aligning in a beautiful way, and that you are this powerful being that is able to really create this beautiful reality, this beautiful existence from your heart space. When you go into your true heart space where there exists this deep love, this deep desire for creation, when you're really in touch with that, you can create miracles. And it's all about the intention. When you have this deep loving intention towards yourself and towards others, and this sheer love just for living, for creating, that's extremely powerful, and you become your own God. And you really are creating this abundance and healing for yourself and others when you are in this vibration of love and creativity. So you're able to really find this within yourself. You're able to find this beautiful space of creative magic. And this is who you are becoming. This is who you are. This is a magical time where you are really going to witness everything transforming around you in such an ethereal way, in such a magnificent way, because you're learning to trust yourself, and you're learning to trust your heart, and you're learning to release and surrender any troubles, any worries. Know that they will be taken care of. Let them go and allow yourself to trust, to move with love, to move with the true vision of your heart at all times. And this is bringing you true completion, true contentment. Right, I'm going to do Keepers of the Light card. Who's appearing today? Kuthumi, Cloak of Wisdom. And he came out recently as well. So this is definitely a message you need to hear. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. So again, it's all about trust. Do not dwell on things that haven't happened. Do not dwell on things that have happened in the past. Do not dwell on anything with uncertainty or fear or doubt. Simply be, simply live with intention towards your greatest desires, your greatest joys, your greatest wishes, and just honour your heart, honour yourself, and everything else will be taken care of. And whatever intuition you have about something, I think this is an answer to someone's question. If you're doubting something, do not doubt what you know deep inside. Trust what your inside's telling you, because intuition is actually the soul talking to you. Your intuition is your soul communicating with you. So, and your soul is infinite wisdom. Your soul is connected to every infinite being. Your soul's connected to every ascended, enlightened being. So you're also a channel for this wisdom and for this infinite knowledge. So when you get an intuition about something, this isn't coming from any of your five senses. This is coming from your soul. It's something you know, and it's something you can't explain in logic, because the soul is not logic. The soul is beyond that. The soul is multidimensional. The soul is out with this dimension. So trust the knowing and the whispers of your soul at all times, and trust that you are protected and loved and being guided in the right way. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.